Okay, so this unboxing video, this is for the fairings for the 2012 to 2014 Yamaha R1. This ones I ordered them on eBay. Probably, actually, they took like 4 days to get here. It was really fast shipping. The price was a really good deal, 260 for shipping and handling, and they came from California, so it took really fast to get here. The fairings are injection mold, and like I said, I just want to save a little bit of money for the project, and just got this motorcycle fairings. This is the motorcycle parts store, FDB, I don't know, whatever. They got good prices in them on their site. If you want to check them out, it's on eBay. They ship really fast. That's where I got the Yamaha R1 headlight. So if you guys want to check them out, they got good prices. So I'm gonna open this box real quick and I'll show you the fairings and the condition of them. Hopefully they don't arrive broken or anything like that. So yeah, this is a big box, so I'm just doing it by myself. So I don't got another person to help me record at the same time. So you're gonna bear with me on angles and all that stuff. So actually I'm gonna show you the box. So as you can see, that's the box from the inside. Has all the fairings, and I'm gonna show you each piece by piece. So I'm gonna put the box down and go for piece by piece. So this is the tank cover. It's like I said, injection mold. So quality it's ridiculous, not ridiculously. Sorry, it's nice, almost OEM quality. Cannot go wrong. And for $265, $260, yeah, it's a good deal. So this is the tank cover fairing. I'm gonna put it aside. I'm gonna go. This is the right side fairing. And they already come with the heat shield pre-installed, so that's a thumbs up for that company. They're selling these fairings, and as you can see, is the fairing itself. Is the right side. Looks nice, actually. I like the color. It's as you can see, why. Sorry for the angle, but my freaking camera is too small to do it with my phone. So that's the right side. And this one is the fender. Sorry. So this is the fender, front fender for the Yamaha R1. OEM taps, everything. Holes are pre-drilled, ready to install. Let's go to the main part. The headlight fairing. This is the headlight fairing. Wow, it has left me speechless for the quality and the design, man. It's really nice. It's white, has the decals on it like the original one. The only difference that I can tell, the color of the original fairings are like better quality. Everything is better quality, original OEM. But this thing right here, instead of being black, it's a carbon fiber vinyl sticker, so it looks better. But I mean, only few people will notice. But yeah, like I said, this is the front and this is the back. So like I said, holes are pre-drilled. The taps are injection mold, everything, so it will fit like a OEM. Minor, really minor modification, but not too much. Let's go to the tail. Okay, so this is the tail section, has the Yamaha logo on it. So you can see, good quality bearings and really cheap, man. This is the back piece, all the taps, holes, and everything. So that's the tail fairing. And this is the other bottom piece, the undertail. It's just white, has a little scratch on it, but no big deal. Oh, good one. Fuck, I don't got no more room. I thought it was not gonna have the freaking seat cover for it, but it came with it, so thumbs up. That's great. And so this is the rest of the plastic trim that goes inside of the headlight fairing. Both pieces, and the bracket for the seat cowl. What else? Tank fairing covers and trims that goes on the side. Pseudo plastic, I think, to go for the headlight. That. The path for the freaking seat cowl cover. Move this side. Sorry. Put some other pieces here. This is, oh, okay. This is for the air ducts for the left and right covers. This is some trim cover for the bike. Sits on the left and right side. This is another inner fairing. Sorry for making this video too long, but it's a lot of parts and pieces. This is the left side fairing. So you can tell everything is there. Color wise, it's good. Good looking. These are the last pieces. So yeah, basically it's the same thing. The trim pieces that go around. Let's check out the belly fairing. It goes on the bottom. This one also come with the heat shield pre-installed. That's good. Awesome. They're big, so it covers all the thing. Because most of the time, what you get aftermarket fairings, these ones will melt because the ABS plastic is too thin. But these ones have the decals and stickers, so I'm gonna put like extra stickers on it to make it look even nicer. Probably like a SBK World Superbike kind of theme. But yeah, this is the left side bottom. Right side, same. Decals and everything. Heat shield, thumbs up again. And last, I thought it was gonna come with the, because most of the time when you order fairings online, you get the freaking windshield for it, but this one didn't came with it. But I'm fine. It's totally fine. This is another cover. So yeah, this is about it. This is the whole fairing kit. $260, free shipping and handling. Most of the stuff it's on California, so it arrives really fast on here. So you can see all my fucking mess. So if you guys want to buy it, want to try it, let me know. Check out that company for the fairings. They have good specials and prices. And see you in the next video. Hope you like it, and then I'm gonna post a video when the bike is finished, so you can see all the products that I bought from eBay in the stores that I got it from, and give you so you can see if you wanna save a little bit of money, make your bike look different. So thanks for watching. Peace.